Chickens have terrorized us for years. They attack more people per year than sharks. Although chickens seem less dangerous than a fox, you shouldn't trust them. They may be seen as harmless animals, but they aren't. Chickens attack a lot faster than crocodiles. Finding yourself unexpectedly face to face with a chicken can be a terrifying experience. There are many people in the world who have been victims of these attacks, generating anxiety, fear, and terror. But how can we survive these ferocious beings? The first step is to know that chickens don't attack alone, they do it in herd. So if you plan to go to the countryside, don't go alone. This can be as dangerous as the shooting in an elevator. Try not to get their attention or get too close. Don't show them fear. They love that. Did you know that chickens are descendants of T-Rex? Their killing instinct is undeniable. Even if you put 30,000 chickens to fight 100 T-Rex, guess who will win? Exactly, the chickens.
No, Griff.
So, if you are a victim of a chicken attack, even if you look like one, run away.
McFly! Chicken? What did you call me, Griff? Chicken! McFly!
You already know, don't trust chickens. You better eat them.